Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss most expected questions of Indian economics. Let's start. The public distribution system evolved as a system of management of scarcity through distribution of food grain at affordable price. PDS has become a crucial part of government policy for management of food economy within the country. PDS is supplement of nature isn't intended to make available the whole requirement of any the commodities distributed under it to household or section of society. Under PDS presently, the commodities, namely wheat, rice, sugarcane, kerosene, are being allocated to the state and UT for distribution, but some states and UT also distributed additional items of mass consumption, PDS output like pearls, edible oil, and salt and spices, etc. So, according to this paragraph, some questions. Question 1. A government entity manages the public distribution system. According to this question, correct answer option A, Food Corporation of India. PDS operates under the joint responsibility of central and state government. Definitely it's true. ये दोनों की responsibility होती है. During the coronavirus crisis, Indian government launched Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, under which eligible beneficiary received dash kg of food grain and dash kg of gram. So its correct answer A, 5 kg and 1 kg. Which of the following are objective for PDS? To ensure equitable distribution of food grain to reduce the price of essential commodity in the open market. Correct answer option A. It's equitable distribution of food grain. Next question. Read the following statement, ascertain and reason. Ascertain the goal of equitable distribution of land was fully served by abolition of intermediaries in the post-independence of India. Reason, big landlord challenged the land ceiling legislation, delaying the implementation and subsequently escaping from the legislation. So, correct answer of this question, option D. Ascertain A is false and reason is true because जो equitable distribution of land का जो गोल था वो इंटरमीडिएट के द्वारा जो अब्लोशन हुआ था वो इट्स नॉट अबाउट पोस्ट इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ इंडिया, इट्स अबाउट प्री इंडिपेंडेंस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मैच द फॉलोइंग कॉलम. माइग्रेशन ये किससे मैच होता है हमारा? माइग्रेशन हमारा मैच होता है थर्ड, मिस ब्रेन ड्रेन. नेक्स्ट, लो लेवल ऑफ एकेडमिक स्टैंडर्ड ये हमारा होता है फोर्थ से, मिसमैच बिटवीन रिक्वायर्ड स्किल एंड स्टैंडर्ड्स. और सी, पॉपुलेशन हाई ग्रोथ ये हमारा होता है रिड्यूस इन पर कैपिटा इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ. लैक ऑफ प्रॉपर मैन पावर प्लानिंग एकेडमिक ये हमारा मैच होता है इम्बैलेंस बिटवीन डिमांड एंड सप्लाई. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस पॉइंट करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Read the following statement, ascertain A and reason. Green revolution has led to decline in the price of food grain in India. Good proportion of rice and wheat produced during green revolution period. Rice and wheat available as marketed surplus was sold by the farmer in the market. Choose the correct one. So according to this question, correct answer option A. Both ascertain A and reason are true. Reason is correct explanation of ascertain A. Reason क्योंकि ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन के टाइम पे ही फूड ग्रेन का जो प्राइस था वो कम हुआ था, और सबसे ज्यादा जो प्रोपोर्शन अमाउंट व्हीट एंड राइस का जो प्रोड्यूस किया गया था वो ड्यूरिंग ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन ही किया गया था. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस क्वेश्चन करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन ए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मैच द फॉलोइंग कॉलम. ह्यूमन कैपिटल, फिजिकल कैपिटल, इकोनॉमिक कैपिटल, ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट. ह्यूमन कैपिटल हमारा किससे मैच होगा? इट कैन नॉट बी सोल्ड इन मार्केट एंड लेस मोबाइल. ओके. एंड फिजिकल कैपिटल, फिजिकल इनपुट्स रिक्वायर फॉर फर्दर प्रोडक्शन. एंड इकोनॉमिक कैपिटल, कंसिस्टेंट राइज इन प्रोडक्शन ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. Or human development, its process of creating an environment for long, healthy and creative lives. So according to this, correct answer option D. Next question. Read the following statement carefully and choose the correct alternatives given below. Statement 1. GATT was established in 1923 with 48 members country. Definitely ये हमारा wrong है, यहीं से पता चल रहा है. GATT was replaced by World Trade Organization in the year 1995. ये हमारा सही है. तो कौन सा ऑप्शन इसमें ठीक होगा? Statement 1 is true, statement 2 is false. No. Statement 2 is true, statement 1 is false. Definitely it's right. Because GATT was established in 1947, 30th October 1947. Established जो हुआ था GATT, ये हुआ था 30 October 1947 with 128 members. और इसको WTO replaced GATT in 1995. Okay, so correct answer option D. Next question. In the light of the given data and common knowledge, identify the incorrect statement. Incorrect statement हमें इसमें जानना है. Economic reform have not been able to benefit the agriculture sector because investment in agriculture has been reduced. No, this is true. No sector has ever achieved a double-digit GDP growth. ये हमारा incorrect statement है. Why? अभी पढ़ते हैं. Economic reform have result in high level of growth in service sector. True. The contribution of industrial sector to growth of GDP has been fluctuating. ये भी सही है. But no sector has ever achieved a double-digit growth. ये हमारा गलत इसलिए है क्योंकि सर्विस सेक्टर जो है उसने डबल डिजिट ग्रोथ जो है वो अचीव किया है. तो ऐसा पूछा कि कोई भी सेक्टर ऐसा है, सर्विस सेक्टर है जिसने डबल डिजिट जीडीपी ग्रोथ अचीव किया है. ओके, सो करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. रीड द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट, ascertain and reason. Ascertain. Self-reliance continue to be part of industrial policy under economic reforms. Our new economic policy aim to remove all types of control. Producers are free to decide their scale and level of production. Choose the correct one. So correct answer option D. Ascertain A is false but reason R is true. Next question. Read the following statement, ascertain and reason. Ascertain A. Rate of growth of India's GDP used to be about 4% in pre-reforms period. Reason: economic reform have resulted in the increase in efficiency of particularly the industrial and service sector. So according to this question, correct answer option A. Both ascertain A and reason are true. Reason R is correct explanation of ascertain A. Next question. Read the following statements, ascertain and reason. Ascertain: expenditure on healthcare service like hospitals, medicines, and medical education is a source of human capital formation. Human capital formation means a process of adding to stock of human capital over a long period of time. So both ascertain A and reason R is true, and reason is correct explanation of ascertain A. So correct answer option A. So guys, thank you so much. All the best for your exam.